Start. Good morning. Today's our 38th regular session, May 5, 2026. This regular session is now called to order. Singing of national anthem to audiovisual presentation, prayer and the recitation of the Council Spirit. We would like to request Honorable Veloso to lead.
Magandang po kita sa samahan sa anak Santo Amin. Ginoong Diyos, ano yung karon din sa wala sa session hall aron isgot sa mga importante ng mga agenda para katabang kapandugang paglambo sa among katawan. Natagi kami sa sakto kaalam o kaya kami sa kahayag nimo para kini among madesisyonan sa tarong na kumaagi o para usap kini dugang palambok sa aming lungsod sa limig. Kinimbayan ng Limayo sa alam Kristong Ginoo. Amen. Sa alam sama, sa anak, sa anak. Please raise your right hand. Follow after me for the Holy Spirit. I am a Philippine Councilor. Mandated by law to enact. Measures and ordinances. That redound to the general welfare of my consequence. In the pursuit for happiness, peace and prosperity, I believe in public service above self as the guiding principle of my official act. And as I try the pathways of local legislation, may the Almighty guide my mind and heart, that I shall be true to my constituent and the Filipino people.
I am a Vice Mayor, and my covenant with my people is to devote myself to public service by divine providence and by the will of the people. I am mandated to preside over the local legislature that with integrity and statesmanship I shall lead the local legislature to enact measures and ordinances for the common good, for happiness, peace, and prosperity. May the Almighty God help me consecrate myself for the people I am called to serve. Please sit down. Roll call and determination of quorum, Mr. Secretary.
Honorable Mayor, Honorable Aurelio, Honorable Mintayao, Honorable Veloso, Honorable Canoy, Honorable Serino, Honorable Artisa, Honorable Aler, Honorable Gayor, Honorable Saligumba, Honorable Evangelio, and the presiding officer, Honorable Baraki.
There are 9 members present. The church declares the presence of a quorum. Privilege speech, privilege hour. No privilege hour, speech. Question hour. Honorable Gail.
Okay, may buntag sa tanan. Especially to our presiding officer, Mr. Chair. I just want to ask the status of 5 million na atong ikatagan ng resolution. That's, I think, almost a month na ang nilabay. Hangtong karon ra kung may balita o sa update. If possible, Mr. Chair, atong ipatawag siguro ng SWD kung unsa na may status na may listing unsa ba murag hapit na lang nato malim ang atong crisis. Wala pa magyapon makapanghatag ayuda na dapat na nato mapaabot. Kay pag-request ang akong nabatan urgently. Mao nga natingala ko murag magbulan na wala pa tay update hangtod karon Mr. Chair. Mawala to Mr. Chair. Thank you.
Okay. Ini I think somebody to take a motion, to read a motion to invite the local finance siguro. It was urgent man. Kung invite ng tagaron, ang mag-invite ko tama, padalagay tag later. Pero kung urgent, emotion na lang din para makasuspend. Okay?
Maybe the secretary the idea kay Siko. Ano yung sa secretary?
Kato lang nag-update nato. Pasay kita status.
With the permission from the presiding officer, I was not able to attend the executive committee meeting being called by the mayor precisely because it coincided also with our session last week. But in so far, I have not heard any comment from the local finance committee, although they are our friends. Wala pa man sila nagkakagul update.
Okay. My request is somebody to render a motion to invite in connection to the question hour of question of Honorable Gallo. The Honorable Paul.
This is not a motion. I think the right person to be invited or to ask on a particular question is the office of the mayor, because mayor has ample knowledge on what happened on 5 million, the arrangement, because the barangay captain submitted to the office of the mayor the list of the beneficiaries, not to the DSWD office. Then DSWD is under the mayor.
Okay. Ako na balik ko no kasi gusto ni Honorable Gallo karon na
Karon na para kay sulod sisil ang karon nato na mas mutan makabaron ta sa status kay ang mga tao man do para matubag. Sige na mga good. Ang akong Mr. Chair, as urgent ang request sa ating executive, mga gusto ko nato makabalo sa status as of now kay daghan may mga query sa ato usahay kung makatut sa mga barangay.
okay.
So, at least makatubag to sa ating Mr. Chair.
Okay, please make it a proper motion. It's a proper motion to invite the local finance today.
Okay, Mr. Chair. I want to invite the Finance Committee to appear decision. So that
Okay, motion to invite the finance committee in relation to the 5 million in from the national government. Any standard. Seconded by Honorable Saligumba. Any objection? Hearing none. Okay. The motion is hereby approved. 30 minutes recess to invite the local finance. Decision. Resume. Any questioner? Honorable Niloso?
Mr. Chair, we will recognize our visitor from Barangay Bunggan, Barangay Captain and Barangay Galawan.
Okay, thank you very much. We would like to recognize our visitors from Barangay Pugnan, Honorable Kapitan Ignacio and Jorge Ignacio and Kagawad Gonzaga. Welcome to the session cup and what? Any question to our visitors? Para makita na. So do you have? Is it clear na ito ka?
Good morning sa tanan, labi na sa atong Vice Mayor. Isa lang sa tuyo namin, itong resolution request na endorsement tugang nagikan sa may opisina sa Guniang Bayan ngadto sa DPWH sa may follow-up ko doon nani. Kay kinahanglan ng DP, kay yan ay pangayag namin na team para sa kanami barangay. Yan, pangayag namin nila ang endorsement di balik. Salamat.
Okay. Thank you. Dahil for referral para decision ka, refer ni karon the committee will act on this. Thank you very much, Kap. Any question? Question now. Honorable Aurelio is recognized.
Good morning. Regarding ini sa kuan, pag-craft ng budget on dagat, kay since nito last na meeting, wag kami maka-attend, especially sa appropriation, kay ato sa Valencia. So maybe we can ask to double check the kuan, God kay iya naman ito mga especially sa SB pala, kay mga kuan na nito na gusto na kapagkitan ay isa as pangyayasip ka lang, hindi ka na gusto na ipakwado na para ma-address daan kaya isang tawa pa yung budgeting. So any correction with that, ma-address pa
About sa GAD.
that.
Okay, last April 28 yata ng meeting. GAD.
Yes, Mr. Chair, ato sa kitabalin siya sa tinatay. Kaya noong time, nung pista naman siya.
Okay. Tayo representative, nagpadala ko representative dito sa meeting. At ito ko, nandito ka na ilang meetingan. Si Nilda ang ipadala sa para may bawa ni mo sa ilang discussion.
This is only a suggestion, Mr. Chair, with your wisdom and your authority na basin pwede makakanta kita ng committee meeting sa.
Okay, proper motion. Proper one. Motion na lang proper, hindi mo naman ito sa privilege.
Okay.
Motion proper na lang na siya.
Oh, yeah.
After this referral.
Dito na sa business of the day.
Motion proper na namagan pa.
Dito na sa
Okay. Any question? Hearing none, let's proceed. Reading and referral of proposed measures, petition letters and communications.
Yes, Mr. Presiding Officer, first item for referral is resolution number 20 series of 2286 of Barangay Rahapan, Suan, requesting the Sangguniang Bayan through the municipal IPMR, Arudon Renal Tigayod, for situ electrification and authorizing the use of ancestral land for the installation of electric posts and wiring a situ Pilimon Rahapan, Suan, Dingin.
Refer to Committee on Tribal Affairs and Engineering, Joint Committee.
Next item is the request for the creation of blanket position of Administrative Assistant 2 or Accounting Clerk 3 Salary Grade 8 at the Municipal Accounting Office.
Refer to Committee on Board Governance.
Next item is a resolution requesting Municipal Mayor Enrique Bamilio to endorse the barangay request to the province of Surigao del Sur Second District Representative Congressman Honorable Alexander T. Pimentel for the construction of barangay home building located at Purok Mahabu, Barangay Mayayaling, Surigao del Sur in amount of 10 million pesos.
Refer to Committee on Infrastructures.
Next is a resolution requesting the Sangguniang Bayan for the endorsement of the province of Surigao del Sur Second District Representative Congressman Alexander T. Pimentel for the construction of barangay home building located at Balangol, Bungan, Limit, Surigao del Sur.
Refer to Committee on Infrastructure.
Next is a resolution requesting the Municipal Mayor and Pamilya for the construction of 300-meter footbridge located at Barangay Valencia, Limit, Surigao del Sur in the amount of 3,300,000 pesos.
Refer to Committee on Infrastructure.
Next item is a resolution requesting the Sangguniang Bayan of Limit to authorize the disposal of unserviceable properties of the local government of Limit.
Refer to Committee on good governance.
Next item is a resolution requesting the Sangguniang Bayan on the need to create an appraisal committee.
Committee on Laws.
Next item is a resolution authorizing the municipal mayor representing the local government in the need to enter into a memorandum of agreement with the following agencies: Department of Migrant Workers, represented by Regional Director Richie Imbutao, the Overseas Workers Welfare Administration of OWA, represented by its OIC, Rodrigo Digiro, the Department of Labor and Employment, represented by Regional Director Atty. Jason Barrias, and the Technical Education and Skill Representative TESDA, represented by Regional Director Atty. Florencio Sonico Jr. of 63.
One by one, no? One by one mo? Isa-isa lang? Committee on Legal Matters.
Next item is a resolution requesting an application for the accreditation of Barangay Mandos Agri-Regional Farmers Association.
Refer to Committee on CSO Accreditation.
Next item is the 10% Sangguniang Bataan Fund Fiscal Year 2026 in the amount of 74,750 pesos, 73 pesos and 90 centavos for Sangguniang Bayan Review.
Refer to Committee on Appropriation.
Next item is the request for a special cockfighting event on May 6 to 7 at Porok 2C in Sarilis, Barangay Poblacion in celebration of Patronal Fiesta.
Refer to Committee on Games and Amusement.
Next, the request for a special cockfighting event on May 10, 2026 at Barangay Mandos.
Games and Amusement.
Another request for special cockfighting event on May 13 to 14 at Barangay Union in celebration of the Patronal Fiesta.
Games and Amusement.
Same request for a special cockfighting event on May 16 to 17 at Barangay Calpocoran in celebration of Patronal Fiesta.
Games and Amusement.
Also, a special cockfighting event request on May 17 to 18 at Sitio Mahabo, Barangay Maya in celebration of Patronal Fiesta.
Games and Amusement.
Same request for a special cockfighting event on May 20 at Sitio Tigbawan, Barangay San Roque in celebration of its Patronal Fiesta.
Games and Amusement.
Another special cockfighting event request on May 21 at Sitio Tamsian, Barangay Pagtalaan, also in celebration of Patronal Fiesta.
Games and Amusement.
Same request also for a special cockfighting event on May 25 at Sitio Bintigan, Barangay San Roque, also Patronal Fiesta.
Games and Amusement.
Another request for a special cockfighting event on June 2 to 3, 2026 at Purok TV Kabilan, also in celebration of Patronal Fiesta.
Refer to Committee on Games and Amusement.
Another request for a special cockfighting event on May 16, 2026 at Sitio Malibato, Barangay Mandos, also in celebration of Fiesta.
Refer to Committee on Games and Amusement.
And last is the request for the creation of additional pantilla positions in the Office of the Secretary to sa Sangguniang Bayan.
Refer to Committee on Good Governance. Any topic to be included?
Mr. Chair,
Honorable Aurelio.
clarification on the item number 10 regarding to the 10% sa Sangguniang Bataan. Each barangay is
Barangay Damayan.
Any topic? Hearing none, let's proceed. Committee reports.
Mr. Chair,
Honorable Aurelio is recognized.
Good morning everyone. So forgive me for the wala pa may handouts, hard copy of the committee report. Tungkol kay medyo na ako other transaction. So I would like to have this committee report orally. Oral present My first committee report is regarding on the supplemental budget number 2 with a general appropriation of 5 million pesos. So the proposed supplemental budget is prepared pursuant to the provision of Section 301 of the Local Government Code of 1991 which is under the RA in the Facility 160, which allow the enactment of the supplemental budget to support it and certify the available of funds. So under Section 305, the governing principle of the local fiscal administration. So the social fund is the supplemental budget number 2 is funded from the following. So for the savings of completed or discontinued project, and appropriated surplus for the previous fiscal year 2025. Excess collection from the local government resources, grant needs or donations. So the purpose of the allocation of the appropriation are intended to support priority programs and urgent needs of the local government, including but not limited to from the Office of the Mayor, from the Executive Program, MOE, the Repair and Maintenance of Sound System, Office Supply and Materials for Kalahi, and the purchase of lead wall stand, which is amounting to 203,000, 50,000, and 110,000. And also the Office Supplies and Materials under the Executive Program, 50,000. So for the Office of the Sangguniang Bayan, with the appropriation of 400,000. And the Office of the Vice Mayor with the amount of 150,000 appropriation. So under also the appropriation of the counterpart of the construction of the Bureau Fire Building, which is the amount of 350,000. And then also the supplies and materials for the installation of 1 unit KVA 0.5 kV transformer to supply the BFB building, which amounting to 330,000. For the health program under the Office of Municipal Health, supplies and material, which is specific on the purchase of toilet bowl amounting to 203,000. For the Office of the Municipal Engineer, the construction of entrance canopy, multi-purpose building for the municipal amounting to 1.6 million. Construction of multi-purpose building at Pamian, Bugak, Bingis, Legal Resort with an amount of 500,000 appropriation. For the Office of NENRO, the Environmental Natural Resource Management Program, the supplies and materials amounting to 30,000, fuel, oil, and lubricants expense amounting to 500,000. The statutory obligation 5.15% municipal in the DRC Reduction Management Program, which is under the DRMC program. For the quick response fund of the QRF, which is amounting to 14,000. Installation of early wire design amounting to 34,000. For the GAD, 5%. For the supplies and material for the center amounting to 49,000. For the senior citizen and the person with disability fund, which is under the special program of the senior citizen, for the supplies and materials amounting to 9,000, with a total amount overall 5 million peso for the supplemental budget number 2. So, committee recommendation. In view of the foregoing, the Committee on Appropriation recommends the approval of supplemental budget number 2 during the business of the day with a total amount of 5 million pesos. That's all, Mr. Chair.
Any interpolation of the committee reports? No question on the committee report? Okay, thank you, Honorable Aurelio.
Another committee report, Mr. Chair,
Okay, proceed.
regarding the proposal for the revised municipal jail rental rates and new rental rates of Jet 1. This committee report is respectfully submitted to recommend the approval of the proposed amendment of the existing rental rates of the municipal gymnasium and Jet 1. The review was conducted in response to the increasing operational costs, maintenance requirements, and the need to maximize revenue generation of the local government unit. The municipal general shall enable serve as the primary venues and facilities for the various public and private events such as sport activities, cultural program, assemblies, and commercial events. The current rental rates were established several years ago and no longer reflect on the prevailing market values and maintenance expense. Findings. After a thorough review and consultation with the concerned offices, the committee finds that the existing rental rates are relatively low compared to the neighboring municipalities. Maintenance and operational costs, including electricity, manpower, and repairs, have significantly increased. The lead wall, being a high-value asset, requires a proper costing for sustainable use and maintenance. There is a standard rates depending on the type of event, the government, private, commercial, and non-profit. The committee proposes the following adjustment. So, Mr. Chair, may I request na hindi ako lang masahang minutes since in the committee meeting, we already agreed on the plan.
But the other, not committee members, are they aware?
Hindi ko lang ikuhan yung report nila. Kaya medyo taas ako. Ikuhan na ko lang sa committee report kung ito may copy. Ikuhan ko lang ito.
Ang tanan ng members committee, ang kopya? Okay po.
Sige. So, recommendation. In view of the foregoing, the committee strongly recommends the approval of the proposed amendment to the rental rates of the municipal generation and default to ensure sustainability and proper maintenance and increased revenue generation of LGU during the business of the day of the next session. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Okay, any interpolation of the reports? Hearing none. Thank you very much, Honorable Aurelio. Any committee reports? Honorable Gailo is recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Once again, good morning. Committee on Accreditation, dated April 27, 2026, record item regular session. The application of Composite Genuine Guardian Brotherhood International. In the discussion, the committee convened to discuss the accreditation request submitted by the Sabang chapter. The meeting was aimed to evaluating their proposal and understanding their intent to offer voluntary assistance to the barangay in Barangay Sabang. The association intends to engage voluntarily in the community service activities focused on supporting the local barangay and others. The proposed activities are being an empowered local resident to contribute activity to the community development. The findings of the committee found out that the association has submitted all necessary documents and meet the established criteria for the accreditation. The committee noted that the chapter commitment to voluntarism by offering their services without financial gain. They aim to strengthen community bond and foster culture and cooperation among residents, and not only the barangay Sabang, but also in the municipal government of Lingi, as well as in everyone who may need their services. Their alignment with our objectives and commitment to the community service align with our mission to support grassroots initiatives. Additionally, Mr. Chair, it is suggested that a monitoring system be established to evaluate an effective to their programs and ensure that they meet the goals outlined of their proposal. In the recommendation, the committee recommends to approve the request during the business of the day in this regular session, Mr. Chair. Thank you.
Thank you, Honorable Gailo. Any questions or interpolation on the committee reports? Hearing none. Thank you, Honorable Gailo, for that reports. Committee reports, other committee reports. Honorable Kanoy.
It's not a committee report, Mr. Chair, but I would like to make a motion for a recess to discuss the referred item on my committee, which is item number 2, and also including other items which will fall before the next session, Mr. Chair. Just like I think for the request for a special cockfighting.
Okay, motion to conduct good governance, to have a recess to discuss the new referred item. Any Iskander? Honorable Iskander?
May additional.
Yeah, additional, okay.
Mr. Chair, and also we will include to discuss the item number 3, number 4, and number 5. Mr. Chair, thank you.
Okay, ini item. So, in the discussion. Okay, depende lang sa committee na iyakan ba ng bagong referred item. Mo kuha na ang committee, mo ang chairman mo insist na kung saan yung gusto pa action. Okay? 15 minutes recess, including the other item na medyo nadugay-dugay. Sa una pa, basta na pa yung review. Okay, 15 minutes recess. This is your resume. Unfinished business. Business of the day. Saan 64? Nag-CR pa? Resume ka. Let's proceed. We are quorum. Honorable Kanoy. Honorable Gayo.
Business of the day.
Yes, business of the day.
Yes, Mr. Chair. I move, Mr. Chair, for the approval of the request application for accreditation of United Composite Genuine Guardians Brotherhood of Barangay Sabang, Mr. Chair.
Okay, resolution accrediting United Composite Genuine Guardian Brotherhood International. Released kami by Honorable Kanoy, Artisa. Any objection? Hearing none, the accreditation of Guardian is hereby approved.
Mr. Chair,
Supplementar. Honorable Aurelio.
Mr. Chair, I move for the adoption or approval of the supplemental budget number 2.
Kaya motion for the approval of the supplemental budget number 2 amounting to 5 billion pesos of the municipality of Lingi. Seconded by Honorable Kanoy, Bintayo and Gailo. Any objection? Hearing none, the supplemental budget number 2 amounting to 5 million of the local government unit of Limit is hereby approved. Next.
I move for the approval of the revised municipality rental rates and new rental rates for people.
Okay, a motion, ordinance. An ordinance amendment of the rental of municipality of municipality of Limit. Seconded by Honorable Carmen Artisa. Any objection? Hearing none, the ordinance is hereby enacted. Honorable Carmen.
Mr. Chair, I move for the suspension of the 3-reading rule.
Okay, suspending the 3-reading rule. Any seconder? Seconded by Artisa. The 3-reading rule is hereby suspended. Honorable Carmen.
Mr. Chair, I move for the approval of the creation of a plantilla position of Administrative Assistant 2, Accounting Clerk 3, Salary Grade 8 at the Municipal Accounting Office.
Okay, application of the plantilla position of Administrative Assistant 2, Accounting Clerk 3, Salary Grade 8 at the Municipal Accounting Office. Any seconder? Seconded by Honorable Aurelio. Any objection? Hearing none, the ordinance is hereby approved.
Another, Mr. Chair, I move for the approval of the creation of the following positions for the Secretary to the Sangguniang Bayan. 1 Local Legislative Staff Officer 5, Salary Grade 22. 2 Local Legislative Staff Officer 2, Salary Grade 13. And 2 Local Legislative Staff Employee 2, Salary Grade 4.
Okay, a motion approving the ordinance creating the plantilla position of to the Sangguniang Secretary. Any seconder? All members, unanimously seconded. The ordinance is hereby enacted.
Mr. Chair,
Honorable Gailo.
Mr. Chair, I move for the approval of resolution request by Municipal Mayor Honorable Elmer Bagelio to endorse the barangay request of Province of Surigao del Sur, 2nd District Representative Congressman Alexander Pimentel for the construction of barangay hall in Purok 2, Mahabo, Barangay Mahayahay, Lingig, Surigao del Sur, in amounting of 10 million, Mr. Chair.
Okay, a resolution endorsing the request of the Municipal Mayor to the 2nd District of Surigao del Sur, Honorable Alexander P. Pimentel, for the allocation of 10 million for the barangay hall building located at Purok 2, Mahabo, Mahayahay, Lingig, Surigao del Sur. Any seconder? Seconded by Honorable Aurelio, Artisa, Sereno, Canoy, and Bentayam. Any objection? Hearing none, the resolution is hereby adopted.
Another, Mr. Chair, resolution request also to the 2nd District Congressman Representative Alexander Pimentel for the construction of barangay hall located in Barangay Bungan, Lingig, Surigao del Sur, in amounting of 10 million also, Mr. Chair.
Another resolution requesting to Honorable Congressman Alexander P. Pimentel of the 2nd District of Surigao del Sur for the construction of building hall or allocation of fund at Barangay Bungan, Lingig, Surigao del Sur. It is seconded. Unanimously seconded. The resolution is hereby adopted.
Another, Mr. Chair, resolution of number 22 series of 2026 of Barangay Raha Kabunsuan requesting the Barangay Sangguniang Bayan through Municipal IPMR Hawodon Renal Tigayod to sitio electrification and authorizing the use of ancestral land for the installation of electrification electrical post and wirings in sitio Pilimon and sitio Sauman, Barangay Raha Kabunsuan, Lingig, Surigao del Sur.
A resolution, okay, to resolution authorizing the use of the ancestral land for the installation of electrical posts and wiring at Sitio Pilimon, Raha Kabunsuan, and Sitio, Saungan, Raha Kabunsuan. Address to the Sorsico. Ini Sikander. Sikander by Honorable Bintayaw Artisa Gaimon and Murillo. Any objection? Hearing none, the resolution is hereby adopted.
Another, Mr. Chair, is I move for the approval of a resolution request by Municipal Mayor Honorable Elmer Pandillo for the construction of 300 meters footbridge located in Barangay Valencia, Lake Surigao del Sur, an amount of 3 million pesos, Mr. Chair.
Okay, a resolution
3 million.
for the construction of the 300-meter footbridge located in Barangay Valencia, Lake Surigao del Sur, in the amount of 3,300,000 pesos. Address or authorizing the mayor for the construction. Ini Sikander Honorable Aurelio Bintayaw, Carnoy, and Artisa. Any objection? Hearing none, the resolution is hereby adopted.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Honorable Paul Sereno.
Motion for approval special cockfighting event on May 6 and 7, 2026 at Brought to Sea in the village of Barangay in celebration of Patronal Fiesta.
Okay, a resolution authorizing up to the cockfighting activity, special cockfighting activity May 6 to 7. Purok Dos Itza Village, Barangay Poblacion. Ini Sikander. Sikander Pedro Artisa Gayo Murillo. Any objection? Honorable kami. Yes, there was a clarification. Allowed pa ang lugar na sa Purok. Visa ordinance maximum of 3. But sa practice na to, barangay lang ang naman. But it's up to you. There was a clarification of Honorable Canoy. Tugutan ba na daw? Honorable Gailo.
Okay, so although dili pwede kay Purok, pero dako sagot kay yung bilong sa poblasyon. So pwede siguro makonsidera natin kay poblasyon sa kutang isa. Although Purok,
My point is, dili na to pwede i-single out kay kung Purok mutugot ang duha, di man pwede ang Purok di na to mutugot ang duha, bisa kung sa kagamay.
pero sa committee, galaw sa committee na kada mga Purok, duha na kadlaw doon. Okay.
But the decision is up to the body ha. Nag-clarify lang si Honorable Canoy kung pwede ba. Actually sa ordinance, maximum of 3. Natay gamay problema sa ordinance kay ang Purok libil lagi. Di naman, pero ginaalaw man nato. Dire pero asa na humanitarian consideration? Kita mo na. Ha? Okay. Any question, any objection of the today's activity on special cockfighting activity on Poblacion? Itza. Hearing none, the today's special cockfighting activity in May 6 to 7 at Itza is hereby approved.
Another motion for approval, a special cockfighting event on May 10 at Barangay Mandos in celebration of
Special lang.
Special cockfighting meeting.
Special event.
May 10.
What's it, pista?
Special event. Feeling to.
Okay, charitable purposes.
Yes, charitable.
Charitable purposes. Any Sikander?
Second date.
Attended by 3 members, Honorable Aurelio Bintayaw and Gailo. Any objection? Hearing none, May 10 special cockfighting activity in Barangay Mandos is hereby adopted, approved.
Another motion, Mr. Chair, for the approval of special cockfighting event on May 13, 14 at Barangay Union in celebration of Patronal Fiesta.
Okay, special cockfighting activity in May 13, 14 at Barangay Union in celebration of the Barangay Fiesta. Ini Sikander. Sikander by Honorable Artisa Aurelio and Gailo. Any objection? Hearing none, the resolution for the May 13 to 14 special cockfighting activity in Barangay Union in celebration of the Barangay Fiesta is hereby approved.
Another motion, Mr. Chair, for a special cockfighting event on May 16 and 17. Barangay Tapupuran in celebration of the Barangay Fiesta.
Okay, May 16 to 17 at Barangay Tagpupuran in celebration of Barangay Patronal Fiesta, special cockfighting. Seconded by Honorable Canoy, Honorable Gailo, Honorable Pintayo, Honorable Aurelio. Any objection? Hearing none, the special cockfighting activity in Barangay Tagpupuran is coming May 16 to 17 is hereby approved.
Another motion for approval for a special cockfighting event on May 17 and 18 at Sitio Mahabo, Barangay Bayan in celebration of the Patronal Fiesta.
Okay, May 17 to 18 at Sitio Mahabo, Barangay Bayahay in connection to the Purok Pista, special cockfighting. Seconded by Honorable Canoy, Honorable Bintayaw, Honorable Aurelio, Honorable Gailo. Any objection? Hearing none, the resolution is hereby approved.
Another motion, Mr. Chair, for approval of a special cockfighting event on May 20 at Sitio Tipawan, Barangay Sagoroki in celebration of the Patronal Fiesta.
Okay, May 20 at Sitio Tigbawan, Purok Pista, special cockfighting. Seconded by Honorable Canoy, Honorable Gailo, and Honorable Aurelio. Any objection? Hearing none, the resolution is hereby adopted.
Another motion for approval a special cockfighting event on May 21 at Sitio Tamsian, Barangay Papilaan in celebration of the Patronal Fiesta.
Okay, another special cockfighting, May 21 at Sitio Tamsian. Seconded by Honorable Canoy. All members, unanimously seconded. The resolution is hereby approved.
Another motion for approval a special cockfighting event on May 25 at Sitio Bintigan, Barangay Sagoroki in celebration of its Patronal Fiesta.
May 25, Sitio Bintigan, special cockfighting. Any seconder? Seconded by Honorable Gailo, Honorable Bintayaw, Honorable Aurelio. Any objection? Hearing none, the resolution is hereby adopted.
Another motion, Mr. Chair, for the approval of a special cockfighting event on May 16 at Maribato, Bandos in celebration of the Patronal Fiesta.
May 16 at Malibato, Purok Malibato Bandos, special cockfighting. Ini seconded by Honorable Evangelio, Honorable Cano, Honorable Bintayaw. All members are unanimously voted. The resolution is hereby approved.
Another motion for approval, Mr. Chair, for the special cockfighting event on June 2 and 3 at Purok Tribi, Kapilan, Barangay Poblacion.
Special cockfighting, June 2 and 3 at Purok Tribi, Kapilan. Ini seconder. Seconded by Honorable Gailo, Bintayaw, Cano, Aurelio. Any objection? Having none, the resolution is hereby approved.
That's all, Mr. Chair.
Please include the, yung sa Tagpupuran, Honorable Paul. To return the ordinance and a resolution returning.
Motion for the approval to return the ordinance on Barangay Ordinance number 26/01/2026 of Barangay Tagpupuran entitled an ordinance imposing tourist entry and environmental fee in all tourism destinations within Barangay Tagpupuran and providing guidelines for its collection, utilization, and management.
Okay, a resolution returning the Barangay Ordinance number 01/2026 of Barangay Tagpupuran. Any seconder? Seconded by Honorable Aurelio and Gailo and Artisa. Any objection? Hearing none, the resolution is hereby approved. Thank you, Honorable Paul. Any motion? Honorable Canoy? motion of Honorable Kani to restore the three remaining roles. It is seconded by Honorable Aurelio. Any objection? Hearing none, three remaining roles is hereby restored. Unassigned business. Announcement. Okay? Wala na yung announcement? Honorable Kani?
Chair, and for the adjournment.
Okay, a motion of Honorable Kani for the adjournment of the session. Duly seconded by Honorable Aurelio Igaylo and Artisa. The session is hereby adjourned.